Welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about photography or ready to take your skills to the next level, you're in for a treat. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best DSLR cameras, perfect for beginners, enthusiasts, and professionals alike. From stunning image quality to versatile features, these cameras offer powerful performance for every type of shooter. Check the description below for up-to-date prices and detailed product links. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest gear reviews. Let's get into it, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Pentax KF APS-C DSLR Camera Body. Capture stunning images with the Pentax KF body, featuring a 24.24 megapixel AA filterless APS-C CMOS sensor for sharp, vibrant photos. With an expansive ISO range from 100 to 102,400, this camera performs excellently in low-light conditions, giving you creative freedom day or night. Designed for outdoor photographers, it boasts a compact, dust-proof, and weather-resistant body, plus cold-proof performance down to -10 degrees Celsius 14 degrees Fahrenheit, making it reliable in tough environments. The optical viewfinder with a glass pentaprism delivers nearly 100% field of view and 0.95x magnification, allowing for precise framing and quick focus confirmation. The in-body shake reduction system compensates up to 4.5 shutter steps, ensuring sharp images even during handheld shooting. Compatible with Pentax KAF mount lenses, it also supports advanced features like optional GPS to GPS for automatic celestial tracking. Perfect for enthusiasts and professionals seeking durability and high image quality in a versatile camera. Number 4. Nikon D3400 DSLR with 18 to 55 mm VR lens. Experience sharp and vibrant photography with the Nikon camera featuring a 24.2 MP DX format CMOS sensor. Designed for clarity and detail, it delivers stunning images with no optical low-pass filter to preserve maximum sharpness. The camera incorporates the powerful XP4 image processor, enabling fast and efficient performance for both stills and video. With an expanded ISO starting at 100, it performs well across diverse lighting conditions, while center-weighted metering ensures accurate exposure for your subject. The optical image stabilization and a maximum aperture of f/3.5 at 5.6 focal length help capture clear and crisp shots with minimal blur. Easily connect and share your photos via SnapBridge Bluetooth connectivity, supporting Bluetooth 4.1 and Wi-Fi functionality compatible with iFi cards. Compatible with Nikon F-mount lenses, this camera is ideal for photographers seeking versatility and seamless wireless sharing. Number 3. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV Full-Frame DSLR Camera Body. Capture breathtaking images and stunning 4K video with the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, featuring a powerful 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. This camera delivers exceptional image quality with a wide ISO range from 100 to 32,000, expandable up to 50 to 102,400, making it perfect for nearly any lighting condition. The high-speed Digix 6 Plus processor enables continuous shooting at up to 7 frames per second, while advanced dual-pixel CMOS autofocus ensures smooth, accurate focusing during video and live view shooting. Record crisp 4K motion JPEG video at 30 or 24 frames per second, or choose Full HD up to 60 frames per second and HD up to 120 frames per second for slow motion effects. The responsive touchscreen LCD makes navigation intuitive. Built-in Wi-Fi allows seamless file transfer and remote camera control via the Canon Camera Connect app, perfect for sharing your work instantly. Compatible with Canon EF and EFS lenses, the EOS 5D Mark IV is a versatile choice for photographers and videographers alike. Number 2. Nikon D7500 DX Format DSLR Camera Body. Capture stunning photos and videos with the Nikon DX camera, delivering class-leading image quality and advanced performance on par with the award-winning D500. Featuring a 51-point autofocus system with 15 cross-type sensors and group area AF, it offers fast, precise focus and up to 8 frames per second continuous shooting, perfect for action shots. The large 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD lets you easily frame shots from any angle. Shoot in breathtaking 4K UHD or Full HD 1080p with stereo sound, power aperture control, and 4K time-lapse for creative video projects. With a broad ISO range starting at 100, center-weighted metering, and digital image stabilization, this camera handles diverse lighting conditions with ease. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth through the Nikon SnapBridge app for seamless sharing and remote control. Rugged and reliable, it's built for photographers who demand speed, clarity, and convenience. Number 1. Canon EOS 90D DSLR Camera Body. Unlock professional-grade photography with the Canon 90D body, featuring a powerful 32.5-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor for stunning high-resolution images. Capture fast-moving subjects with ease using its high-speed continuous shooting at up to 10 frames per second and zero lag in optical viewfinder mode. The advanced 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system ensures precise focus, supporting up to 27 points at f/8 for challenging shooting conditions. Record crystal-clear videos in 4K UHD at 30 frames per second or slow-motion Full HD at 120 frames per second. The camera's versatile metering options, including center-weighted, evaluative, partial, and spot, help you achieve perfectly exposed shots every time. Easily transform your Canon 90D into a high-quality webcam with EOS Utility Webcam Beta software or clean HDMI output, making it ideal for streaming and video calls. Perfect for enthusiasts and professionals alike, the Canon 90D offers exceptional performance in a durable, compact body. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.